Welcome to GLO TECH. Today I'm demystifying Java arrays for you. Whether you're a beginner or just brushing up, I've got you covered. Let's dive right in. So, what is an array in Java? Think of arrays as containers that hold multiple values of the same type. It's way more efficient than declaring separate variables. For example, string cars =, Volvo, BMW, Ford, Mazda. Here we've defined an array of strings named cars. The values are inside curly braces and separated by commas. Java stores each value at a specific index, starting from 0. To access a value from an array, you use its index number. For example, systemout.println cars, 0. This prints the first element in the cars array. Since array indexing starts at 0, cars 0 returns Volvo. Simple, right? Now what if you want to change a value? You can update an element by referencing its index, like this, cars 0 =, Opel, systemout.println cars 0. We've just changed the value at index 0 from Volvo to Opel. The next print statement will show the updated value. Want to know how many elements are in an array? Use the length property. Example, system.out.println cars.length. This returns 4 because there are 4 items in the cars array. Looping through arrays is super handy. Use a for each loop to make it easy. Example for string y cars, system.out.println. The loop goes through each element in the cars array and prints them one by one. Volvo, BMW, Ford, Mazda. It's more readable and simpler than a traditional for loop. If you're new to Java or programming, arrays are crucial to learn. They help you store and organize data efficiently. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you never miss a video from GLO TECH. Thanks for watching.